Welcome back to my channel. Now I will share with you an amazing and special remedies for whitened skin. This remedy is very effective for whitened skin and remove unwanted hair for your skin. Before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Egg is not only used for cooking and baking, it has also been proven to do our skin some good when applied topically. Egg whiteness helps in moisturizing the appearance of wrinkles along with the removal of acne and excess oil in the face. Regular application of egg whiteness can already give you a very good facial without spending too much money. How to whiten skin with egg and aloe vera. Firstly, take one egg and egg yolk from a separate bowl and add aloe vera. Now mix it well. And apply in on your hand and leg skin. Massage it on skin and make a thin layer on your skin, then leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash off with normal water. Secondly, take glycerin massage within 7 to 10 in your skin. Then take some moisturizer and massage it on your skin smoothly. You will get soft whitening smooth skin instantly and will remove unwanted hair from your skin. You can use these home remedies 3 and 4 times in a month for best result. Thanks for watching.